Aww. Oh, she's making me go. It's harina de maíz or... Oh, okay, so what?
Harina de chícharo.
Yes. Oh.
Do you know now?
Quizás. Es un frijol?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I think it's chickpeas.
Chickpeas?
I think so, I'm not sure. I got to taste it. Have you tried chickpeas?
It's like hummus?
It's like hummus. I'm not sure. I got to taste it. It looks like chickpeas.
Oh, she nodded, yes.
I see. Oh. Oh, it's very good.
Yeah, what's it taste like?
It's like crunchy on the outside, salty and a little bit sour. It's not
Oh.
spicy at all. It tastes like hash
No,
browns.
that's not the spicy. This is the spicy. You want spicy?
You try the spicy one. Do you want to try the spicy one?
We
Okay.
like the spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mexican people like
Mexican people like
Jamaican
spicy. Yes. Right?
Oh, wow.
It's very good.
Ponga poquito.
Sí, sí, si le pones poquito no voy a...
Very spicy?
Todavía. Ya.
Oh, that's good.
But very spicy?
Mm.
Oh, it's spicy?
It's
Hello?
good. The aftertaste. Once it starts to settle in, you can feel it in your nose.
Yeah, for some reason it gets spicier. But it's so weird, like some places the ahi is not spicy and then some places it is. Right? We've been waiting, I think, 1.5 hours.
No way, 1.5 hours?
Yeah, maybe 1 hour, 1.5 hours.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's good. You like
Wow.
it? That's a lot of meat.
Ah, it's not. It's on top of bananas.
Oh.
They tricked us.
Oh, they tricked me. How's it? Very good.
Fucking good.
Oh, this is so good, so juicy. Okay, we just learned how to make like napkin roses, right?
Look at
And usually they
this.
don't. But here, we found one.
Wow,
Wow.
that's so funny.
I
Wow.
might do this, but this is pretty.
Hey, so we already tried pizza, spaghetti. Now we're gonna try some lasagna. It's freaking hot. Super hot.
Is it good? The taste? Okay. The taste?
Really good. Holy moly.
What? It's salty, it's creamy. There's no vinegar. It actually tastes like real lasagna. It does.
This is mariposas chinas, which I think they're wontons, right?
Wontons, right? Wontons. Oh, hot, hot.
They're sweet. How's that sauce?
It's sweet too. Wait, so this is like dessert? I thought there'd be meat in the middle.
I think there is meat.
Really? Cut it into half? Let me
Oh
see.
no.
It's just dough, huh?
Mermelada.
Oh, it's guayaba again. Why they taste so familiar? Okay, we have a daiquiri.
Look at how cold it is.
Oh my god, it's mind blowing.
No, it can't be that.
It's
good.
really very, 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 very good.
What the hell?
I know. This is crazy. Oh my god.
Damn.
I'm excited for yours now.
Definitely
Yeah.
worth,
This is worth the $180.
$180.
For sure. Dollars. Okay, we have a mandarin flavored daiquiri.
Which one do you like more?
It's sweet, but no, this is way better. The passion fruit is like a zillion times better. Right?
Yeah. Not Not a zillion times better.
A zillion times better. This is like one note. Passion fruit is like sweet and sour at the same
Yeah,
time.
it's like tangy.
Okay, we have sushi over here. Okay, I'm going to try the vegetable sushi first. Oh, it actually tastes like sushi. Right? Oh, look at this bridge.
Okay. You're getting exposed.
You are getting
Yeah, I'm
exposed.
sure this video ain't gonna make it. But you copy all my pictures and all my picture angles. Take a nice picture. Doing good.
Oh, I think you gotta be careful.
Oh, it's like wooden.
It's wooden, that hole. So I'm
Oh,
kind of
wow. I'm gonna have to jump.
scared. Okay, I don't want to do this. Can we go back?
No. Walk on the right, on the steel beam there. Don't jump.
I don't want to go. Why did we have to do this?
No, it's okay. It'll be okay.
No, I don't have anything to hold.
Here, give me the GoPro. Oh yeah, I have the power now. Oh yeah.
Can you hold my hand?
Oh, okay. I don't think that's a really good idea, but...
Okay, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. You think it's okay?
I think so. I think that's the hardest part. At least over there we thought we'll find side water. Dirty water.
Oh my god.
O se construye la fortaleza. Esta fue la entrada original que se utilizaba para el acceso al castillo. Aquí está reflejado el sistema defensivo establecido por España en el área del Caribe. ¿Ves? En toda el área del Caribe. Y especificando el castillo, que es este que está aquí.
Sí.
Como ven, por la cercanía que tenía Matanzas de La Habana, fue necesario crear la fortificación para defender, para que no entraran por aquí. Este era un punto de avituallamiento de los barcos y esas cosas. Y si entraban por aquí, entonces tendrían que defenderse.
But the people who are in prison here were against against Cuba or America? Because I was reading over there, like America took over for a while or something. I wasn't sure.
Pregunta al tiempo que capturaron, que hicieron la cárcel, ¿a quién tenía el poder? ¿Eran los españoles? Los Spanish.
Okay. So this was how they brought the slaves over here. They're in like a sleeping position. They're like chained up. Oh, it's like an oil rig.
Oh wow, it is.
But the weird thing is,
I think that's a crane to load and unload the boats.
Maybe. No, I don't smell oil here, but we kept smelling oil in Santa Marta, right? Which is very weird to me. Let me see the ocean. Oh, look at it! It looks like a giraffe.
A giraffe. Is this the beach? This is the beach?
Yeah.
No,
that's here. It looks okay, right?
Nah.
So much trash.
Trash everywhere.